Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coaxial cables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Reliagent 25 feet RG6 white coaxial cable. This cable is a fantastic choice for those who need an extended reach, offering a full 25 feet of length. The build quality is solid, with durable weather-protected F connectors that promise reliability whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. It's designed to handle tough conditions, making it suitable for rain or shine. Plus, it comes with a convenient F81 double female adapter, which means you can easily extend your setup without additional purchases. Performance-wise, this cable features high shielding effectiveness to protect signals from interference caused by mobile phones or other electromagnetic devices. This ensures a steady, high-definition video and audio experience, which is perfect for satellite connections, TVs, and antennas. The inclusion of extra accessories, like the F-pin satellite cable TV lead, adds even more value, making this a versatile option for various setups. However, the 25-foot length and added accessories may be overkill for those looking for a simple, shorter cable. Additionally, while the product is well-built, it lacks the quad shielding found in some of the higher-ranked options. Still, if you need a long, durable coaxial cable with reliable performance, the Reliagent is a solid choice. Pros include its length, weather-resistant design, and included adapters, while the cons are its bulkiness and lack of advanced shielding technology. At number 4, we have the Cable Matters 3-pack RG6 coaxial cable. This pack of 3-foot cables is an excellent value for anyone setting up multiple devices or needing spares. The cables are quad-shielded for superior protection against electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference, making them ideal for demanding setups like satellite dishes, cable boxes, and more. The CL2 and CM ratings also mean these cables are fire-safe and suitable for in-wall installations, adding to their versatility. The build quality is impressive, with durable PVC jackets and low-profile metallic connectors that ensure a secure and reliable fit. The cables support frequencies up to 3 GHz, which is more than enough for most modern applications. Whether you're connecting a digital router, TV antenna, or DVR, these cables deliver consistent, high-quality signal transmission. While the 3-foot length is perfect for short-distance setups, it may not be sufficient for users who need longer cables. Additionally, while the 3-pack offers great value, you might end up with extra cables you don't need. Overall, the Cable Matters 3-pack is a fantastic option for users who prioritize shielding, safety, and value. Pros include the quad shielding, fire safety ratings, and 3-pack value, while the cons are the limited cable length and possible redundancy for some users. Taking the third spot, we have the Kimpel Co 100 FT coaxial cable. If you're looking for a cable that can handle long-distance connections without signal loss, this one is for you. With a massive 100-foot length, it's perfect for large homes, outdoor setups, or situations where your devices are far apart. The dual shielding and UV-resistant PVC jacket make it a durable option for both indoor and outdoor use. This cable is equipped with waterproof connectors that feature a redundant double seal, ensuring a secure and long-lasting fit. The 18 AWG center conductor, made of copper-coated steel, guarantees excellent performance while minimizing signal degradation. This makes it a great choice for high-speed internet, satellite TV, and other demanding applications. The main downside is its bulk. Managing a 100-foot cable can be cumbersome, especially if you don't need that much length. Additionally, while the dual shielding is effective, it doesn't offer the same level of interference protection as quad shielding. Pros include its impressive length, weather-resistant design, and reliable performance, while cons are its bulkiness and slightly lower shielding capabilities compared to some competitors. Coming in at number 2, we have the G-Plug 10 feet RG6 coaxial cable connector set. This cable stands out for its high-quality materials and thoughtful design. The nickel-plated brass compression connectors are some of the best in the industry, providing a reliable connection and excellent noise shielding. The double rubber O-ring seals are weatherproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The 10-foot length is versatile and fits most setups. Whether you're connecting a satellite TV, digital router, or broadband device, the included extension coupler is a nice bonus, allowing you to connect multiple cables for extended runs. The lead-free PVC jacket adds to the cable's durability, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The only downside is the slightly higher price point compared to some competitors, though the quality justifies the cost. Pros include its durable build, weatherproof design, and included accessories, while cons are its higher price and slightly shorter length for larger setups. And finally, at number 1, we have the Monoprice RG6 Coaxial CL2 coaxial cable. This cable offers an unbeatable combination of affordability and high performance. At just $5.99, it delivers quad shielding for maximum signal transfer while minimizing interference. The 6-foot length makes it ideal for shorter setups, such as connecting your TV to a wall outlet or a cable box. The 18 AWG construction and 75 ohm impedance ensure reliable performance for a variety of devices, including televisions and modems. The CL2 rating means it's safe for in-wall installations, making it a versatile choice for home setups. Despite its low price, the build quality is excellent, with durable materials that can withstand frequent use. The only real drawback is the limited length, which may not be suitable for larger setups. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance coaxial cable for everyday use, the Monoprice RG6 is hard to beat. Pros include its affordability, quad shielding, and versatility, while the cons are its shorter length and limited use cases for longer runs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.